Okay, now that everyone's here, let's begin.
Well, I guess I'll go first. So, the other day, I was at school and I'd just eaten a muffin when I realized I had 3 minutes left until class started. I already had 20 jokes for being late and I couldn't get any more. I sprinted up the stairs to only have 2 kids in my way, moving at like 2 miles an hour. When I finally got to class, I was like 10 minutes late and I got jugged.
Alright, I'm really sorry to hear that, but hey, did you get that smartwatch so you can set reminders for when class is?
Well, I did, but you see, everybody made fun of me for it.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Wow, okay. Thank you, R. Would anyone else like to share today?
I'll go.
Oh, thank you, A. How are you doing?
I see dead people.
Sorry, what was that? Could you speak up?
I see dead people. Everywhere I go, people die. Shot, stabbed. People just can't seem to get it through their heads that you can't make the jump from one side of the platform to the other across the tracks. I'm a moving heap of metal. Listen here, Bugs Bunny, it's not possible. You can't make the jump. I'm going to plow right through you. It's not physically possible. They keep doing it anyways. They don't stop. They just keep jumping and jumping and jumping and jumping. You gotta help me, man.
There's no help for you.
Please, any kind of help.
I can't help you.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Oh, sh.
In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this.